I heard your prayers. Before the end of this month, you will receive what you've been waiting for. I am going to replace your confusion with clarity and confirmation. I am going to give your mind rest and deliver you from anxiety and overthinking. I am turning your pain into power, your fears into focus, and your difficulties into determination. What the enemy intended for evil will use for good. May and June are going to be months filled with blessings and breakthroughs. I know it and I'm claiming it. Type Amen if you're depending on God right now. I believe and declare that as you type Amen, God is opening a new door for you. Healing, blessings, miracles, and favor are headed to your house. Claim it and receive it by faith. Now pray with me. God, you are my ultimate provider, and you have blessed me so that I can bless others. Please show me who I can bless today. I want to love others by generously blessing the work they are doing. In Jesus' name, Amen.